Hey YouTube, I just wanted to come and share with you something that I found helpful for me, whether you're dealing with nipple pain for whatever reason. Mine happened to be thrush, and it was very severe for me. If you can imagine, I can't even, like this color. My nipple is this dark brown color, if you can see, and it became very, very pink. So that's how bad my case was. And I got it from breastfeeding. So this helped me within 24 hours of using it. So I just wanted to come and share with you guys so maybe you can get some relief until you can find out how you're going to treat it. What I found helpful for treatment was gentian violet, but for the actual pain of the latch and the suck and all of that, this is what I did. So what you'll need is some cotton balls to apply the solution. You'll need either apple cider vinegar or distilled white vinegar. I used both, not at the same time, but I did use try it with both, and either one will work great. You'll need some filtered water. I use spring water just because that's what we keep here to drink. So I use that. You'll need some coconut oil. You'll need some baking soda. You'll need a measuring spoon, an applicator bottle. This is a squirt bottle. Any kind you have will work fine. And then you'll need a mild soap. I use a baby bar soap. So if you already have baby soap on hand, that will work great. Otherwise, Google some different mild soaps. So what I did was I got about 6 ounces of water. And this is the solution that I still have left over. So I got about 6 ounces of water. And then I added a tablespoon of baking soda. And then I added a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. And then I shook it up in this bottle. And this is what it will look like if you use the apple cider vinegar. And then I just squirted a little bit onto a cotton ball and dabbed my nipple all the way around. And I did that pretty much every time after she got done eating, because the vinegar solution helps clean it. And it also, I guess, kind of numbs it or something like that. I'm not sure how it works, but it works great. So I applied it to my nipples every time after she got done eating. So I applied it about 8 to 12 times a day. And then after I applied it, I kind of let it air dry. It air dries really quickly. And then I used coconut oil on top and just rubbed it on top of my nipple as well. And you don't have to wash this off before your baby eats. You can leave it on and they can just suck like that. And it helps me within 24 hours. I noticed a difference. Like my latch that was almost putting me in tears got very manageable. It's more manageable. And why you need the soap is because you want to clean your nipples before you apply the solution. Even though the vinegar solution does clean your nipples, I would still suggest using the soap before you apply it for the first time. And then, of course, every time after you take a bath. You don't have to clean your nipples with the soap after every time she eats. You can just use the vinegar solution after that. And then, of course, you want to wash your hands before you apply it each time. And I think that is it. If you have any questions, let me know. It's a real simple solution. You can find all this stuff locally at Walmart, grocery stores, anything like that. And I promise you guys, it will help within 24 hours is when I started noticing a difference. And just to let you know, it does, when you apply it, if you were as bad as my case, it does kind of give you a little stinging sensation. Not bad, but it does kind of like tingle a little bit after you put it on, but it does go away. And I would suggest going topless if you can all day. just to kind of give your nipples a rest without rubbing against anything, even, like a bra or anything like that. Just go topless if you can. And then if you do have to wear nipple pads and you have a bad case as far as thrush goes, I would suggest putting like some olive oil, something in the pad, just so it doesn't stick to your boob and you have to peel it off. So, like I said, this solution works great for nipple pain, any kind of nipple pain. Mine just happened to be thrush. So, I hope this helps you guys. I hope it gives you some relief. And I'll see you guys next time.